See the oxygen saturation level when I was sitting, it was 95 and below 95. As soon as I lie down in prone posture, it's currently 93 and start deep breathing. I've been doing, just observe how it changes rapidly. Pronal breathing. See, it moved from 93, 94 level to 99 in just about 1 minute pronal deep breathing. This is the power of pronal breathing. It is very simple technique. Pronal breathing. Have two pillows, one for the chest, another one for the legs. Just lie down in the pronal posture comfortably and start deep breathing. It's also called ventilator breathing. It increases the oxygen saturation level, SpO2 level. Pronal posture, just deep breathing and enjoy. Thank you.